TCU students, this is Brunz here, Lee Center Elementary School. I'm going to be introducing the sit-up today. I'm going to give you angles from the front and from the side of a proper sit-up. I'm also going to demonstrate some things that we tend to see that we don't want to see. So there's going to be a couple of different demonstrations, so just listen in and I'll work your way through a perfect sit-up. So the first angle we're going to do is from the side, all right? And when you're getting set up for your sit-up, you want to make sure that your legs are bent at this 90-degree angle here, okay? The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure you keep your heels or your feet on the floor. We don't want the heels coming off the ground and using a leg whip. So we have our legs bent here, our heels are on the ground, all right? We start our sit-ups laying all the way down, okay? So we're laying all the way down for our sit-up. We take our hands, cross our chest in front, all right, and we grab onto our t-shirt. This will help us prevent the arm swing, which we don't want to see. All right, so just a little recap: heels on the ground, legs at 90 degree, lay all the way down, arms across your chest, grab your t-shirt. When you go all the way up, it is one sit-up. All right, then you must go all the way down to the starting position and all the way back up for 2 sit-ups. All right. So if we were doing a fitness test, we would want to see how many we can do in 1 minute. Depending on your age level, that is the form that we want to see and count for proper sit-ups. If you're in kindergarten and you're just starting off, we like to see the feet on the floor as well, but we also allow the crank method to gain that strength in your core. The crank method for kindergartners looks something like this. As they start to sit up, they can use their arms to kind of crank themselves up to get all the way up and count for 1 sit-up, all right? But as the year goes on, we try to get to a perfect sit-up, which again is arms crossed, grabbing onto your t-shirt. So a perfect sit-up from this angle looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and etc. Again, for 1 minute if we were doing a fitness test. Some of the things that we don't want to see in our sit-ups that don't count as a perfect sit-up is the leg whip. So if a student is down like this and doing sit-ups and they're starting to get tired and the feet come off the ground and they whip themselves up, that does not count as a sit-up, all right? Now if your heels are coming off the ground just barely as you come up, that's okay, but again, we're not whipping our legs. The next thing that we do see that we don't count as a sit-up is the arm whip, where your arms come across or come off your chest and you whip yourself up. That would not count as a sit-up either. All right, and the third thing is the elbow push. So our arms are across our chest and we're starting to get a little tired and we lean to the side and we push with our elbow up. That would not count as a sit-up either. All right, so again, the perfect sit-up looks like this. And from the front, it looks like this. Arms across chest, grab your t-shirt, start down, all the way up. 1, 2, 3, and for 1 minute, we see how many we can do. So I hope to see you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know if you have any questions about sit-ups.